Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to see how I transform this into this, then please keep on watching. So I am a huge candle girl, especially the Bath and Body Works candles. Those are my favorite. If you come over to my home, I always have one candle in every room. Problem is, when I'm done with them, I usually throw them away or store them under my sink. I wanted to find a way of reusing them since they are very nice glass and the perfect size for small storage. So of course I went online and found a way of cleaning them out to restore them, so I thought I'd share these tips with you guys. So the first thing you're going to want to do is boil some water. I had a lot of candles, as you can see, so I used a large pot. And then once the water is boiling, you're going to want to be very careful, but you're going to start to pour the hot water into each candle, almost to the top, but not quite to the top. And then what you're going to notice is this is going to start happening. The wax is going to start to melt, and then it's going to start to gather at the top of the water. So this is the part that's probably most time consuming. I let these sit out for about maybe 2 to 3 hours, so just be patient. So once those have been sitting out for a while, you see how it's easy to just kind of pull the wax out of the water. And on some of them, I did have to do a little bit more elbow work because of the wicks. So just be prepared to really dig into these candles to remove all of the wax. But for the most part, a lot of them were just popping right out and it was pretty easy. So this is the next day because mom life, and this is what I was left with. You can see that there's a little bit of wax still in the candles, but what you're going to do next is head over to your sink and you're going to start to wash out the jars with some soap, and the stickers on the candles will peel right off. You'll start to see throughout the video that you don't really have to struggle with that. See, it just peels right off. So once you have that peeled off, just go ahead and do a little bit more scrubbing and then just rinse the jars. Once my candle jars were all dry, I picked up some Goo Gone, and then you're also going to need some alcohol. All I did was add this on some little cotton pads, and this is for those stubborn sticker marks or wax marks on the candle jars. And then also, once I was done wiping them down with Goo Gone, because if you've used Goo Gone, you know that it has that little, weird residue, I just picked up some all-purpose cleaner and sprayed some on the towel, and then just wiped down the jar, and this is what your end product should look like. So for those burn marks that you get from burning the candle, that's what you're going to use your alcohol for. So same process as you did with the Goo Gone, just place it on a cotton pad and then just give it a quick little wipe and it should come right off. So next you're going to get some E6000, and then this is optional, you don't have to do this, but I picked up these little knobs at Lowe's and I just picked up a variety of them. So I figured I'd glue these on top of the lids and kind of just give it that little cute extra touch. Again, not necessary, but I wanted to do it to a few of the candles. I didn't do it to all of them. And all you're going to do is just put some E6000 on the bottom of the knob and then glue it on the top of the lid. And then you can begin to fill your jars however you like. The possibilities are endless, you guys. There's so many things that you could use these for. You'll see what I ended up using mine for. And you guys saw all the wax that I had left over from the candles. If you have a wax warmer, you can reuse the scraps from the candles as some melts. So this is it, you guys. This is what I ended up doing with my reused candle jars. Who would have thought that the used up candles that were sitting under my sink would end up being so organizational and cute. If you have tons of unused candle jars as well and are trying to figure out what to do with them, go ahead and give this DIY a try and let me know what you end up reusing your jar for. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like it and share it with your candle loving friends. And if you aren't already, please subscribe for future DIY videos. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.